Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by preparing your online identity and finding places where players gather. Make a clear username and avatar so people recognize you. Once done, join active Discord servers, Reddit communities, or Minecraft-specific forums that match your play style. Make sure to enable or adjust privacy and friend request settings so you can receive messages safely. This lets you immediately post introductions, look for open lobbies, and signal you're available to team up without wasting time on basic setup. Next, focus on locating and vetting potential friends by engaging with the community. Post a concise intro that lists your platform, preferred game mode, and typical play times. Then jump into public lobbies, community events, or minigames where you can observe play styles and etiquette. Once you find someone compatible, suggest a quick co-op run or voice chat trial to test teamwork. Make sure to communicate expectations clearly and watch for consistent behavior over several sessions. Before labeling someone, finish by turning casual teammates into regular friends and knowing how to handle issues. Exchange friend invites, set roles in your Discord or server, and create a shared world or channel for scheduled game nights. Once done, reinforce trust by following through on invites and being consistent with communication. If problems arise, act quickly. Mute or block toxic users, report violations to server mods, and tighten privacy settings. This protects you and keeps the group enjoyable, so you can focus on playing and having fun together.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.